What's up, gold diggers, and welcome back to another video. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for watching my videos, number one. And if you are not subscribed, my name is Tanaya and I like to post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I have different little series running on each day. So click on any of my videos after this one if you have not watched any of my other videos on my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video. Alright, so today I am going to be friggin' doing my makeup again. I personally really like doing my makeup on the channel, and I feel like I got a good response in my makeup and my hair review video. So I'm gonna keep doing those because I like them and I think you guys like them. I went to Ulta to pick up a few things from the store because I ran out, so I had to get some more. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so this is like, oh, I don't know, I feel like this is probably overexposed right now, but this is the Mario Badescu, if that's how you say his name, cucumber and green tea facial spray. This is like an essential in my makeup. Like, I think it just helps with flawless looking makeup for me. I don't know, I personally think it does for me. So if it works for you and you try it out, let me know. Guys, I love this. This is, I don't know how to say it, Boomix, I'm not sure how to say it, but it's their full-on pumping lip cream. So it's like a lip gloss that pumps your lips, plumps your lips. I'm saying pumps, plumps your lips. And it's in the shade Hottie Toddy. Next thing I got is from, I don't know how to say the brand's name. I'm really bad with names. Clearly, the name is Juvia. I don't even know. I really don't even know. And I don't try. I'm sorry. I know that's bad. Okay. It's a highlighter! Super pretty. The color of the case is super pretty. I love the girl in the front. That's super pretty. Let's get to it. Today's palette, I'm using the James Charles mini palette. The Morphe mini, like, Unleash Your Inner Artist. I think that's what it's called. Artistry palette. I'm going to be using this. I use this every day. Every time I do my makeup. And we're going to do a simple look again because I like simple looks. Start off, I am going to be priming my eyes with LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I am in the color Cool Tan, or that, at least that's the color I like to use for my skin. Okay, so now that I have primed my eyes with concealer, I use concealer. Now that I've primed my eyes with concealer, setted it with setting powder, and oh yeah, I blended it with a brush. Now I'm gonna go in on this palette, and I'm only gonna be using 3 colors today. When I tell you it's simple, it's simple. Anybody could do this. Literally anybody, I swear to you. Alright, so I'm going in with this palette, and to start off, I'm gonna be going in with this white one right here. There's no name on the back, so I'm going in with the white one all the way, 3rd one down, 1st row. Boom. Okay, so I'm just taking the white eyeshadow like I said, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid until they're both fully covered and pigmented. If it works best for you, use your finger if you pick up more pigment that way. I ended up doing that as well. Okay, so the white looks a little crazy right now, but it's going to help give a nice soft pink color to my eyes. So that's what we're going with. We're gonna go for a nice pinky look, but it's gonna be like super soft and cute, and it's gonna be perfect, I'm telling you. So the next color that I'm going in with is this little pink color down here on the complete opposite end, on the second to last. And I'm just gonna like apply it to like my crease area. And we want it to be kind of like pigment, more poppin' as the soft baby pink. You know what I mean? So I decided that I'm just going to jump into a voiceover from here because I want to listen to my music. I want to do like vibe by myself, but like with you. to do my makeup. So
alrighty, so now I'm just taking that baby pink and applying it all throughout my crease. This is like the next like transition shade. I am now adding the hot pink down on below the baby pink, and I'm applying that all over the lid, and we're just gonna try to make it gradient and get really dark in the middle. So that's the goal with the eyeshadow here.
is a little NYX Rolling Glitter Shimmer Ball. It's a shimmer ball. So I'm going to just dot it because it's potent. So just a little bit of this at a time.
This is really potent, like I did say earlier. I'm just adding it like so lightly, and then I'm just going to go in with a brush and just blend it out to make it look a little bit more seamless.
But you said it so sadly, so I did the best I could. Nothing to do, I left me gladly.
Now that I've serenaded you guys, I'm going in and getting ready to put on my foundation. I did prime my face with the Mario Badescu setting spray kind of stuff. And I'm just going in with the Fit Me Maybelline foundation. It was the wrong color, but that's okay. And then I'm going to continue to use that LA Girl Pro Concealer to contour my face. When it comes to contouring, make sure you blend really good. Like, blending really is the secret to great, flawless looking contour, foundation, anything that involves makeup. Just make sure you're blending properly, and then everything will come out perfect. And this is like my favorite part before I set my face, which is also my favorite part. It's just applying the contour on my cheeks to give me a more succulent look. Now this is my favorite part, guys. I get to put on the setting powder. Comment down below what's your favorite part about applying makeup. Mine is definitely the setting powder. I just feel like it's the perfect touch to makeup.
Okay, so I just need to really give you a product appreciation moment, because I use this loose powder by that brand that I was telling you about, Juvia's Place. The best. This is the best setting powder I have ever used in makeup. This has changed the game for my makeup routine. Like, it just gives you the most flawless look ever. Like, it's just perfect.
Okay, so I did not show this on camera, but I did clean off that baking powder off my face, and now I'm just bronzing away. Bronzing my cheeks, bronzing my nose, my forehead, everything. And now I'm going in with a blush from Primark. It was like $2.50. It's a perfect pinky blush for me, I think, and I'm just gonna apply it to my cheeks very vigorously, and then spray my face to set my makeup so that I can apply the brand new highlighter I got, and it is perfect. Ulta's having a sale for that highlighter, by the way. Buy two get one free, so go check it out.
Okay, gold digger, so these are the two products that I ended with choosing for my lip combo. I'm using the KKW Beauty Nude 2.5, and again the Hottie Toddy. But this is my final look. I hope that you guys like it. I love this look. Let me give you a little close up on the eyes. My hair might be in my face. I just want to let you guys also know that
I filmed me doing my makeup and then I went to go work out and do a little bit of running around. I ate, cooked dinner, all that, and this is still my look. So I really hope you guys like it. I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I just want to do a special shout out as well for my friends and family who have been like supporting me and like reposting my video and commenting on my videos and liking it and watching it. I appreciate you guys so much because this means so much to me, and it just feels good to know that someone is out here supporting what you want to achieve in life. So yeah, thank you guys so much and I love you. Bye guys.